Today's recipe is payas. I will be making the payas in a slow cooker. For this I have 750 grams of goat trotters, also known as payas, 300 grams onions. I've not chopped them finely, you can just chop them like this big, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 3 whole green chilies, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half an inch of cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, also known as badi elaichi, 4 green whole cardamoms, also known as choti elaichi, and 4 cloves. Plus, I will be using 3 cups of room temperature water for this recipe. This recipe is actually divided into 2 parts. So this is the first part and the second part will follow. I'm adding the goat trotters to my slow cooker. I've washed them very well with turmeric powder, that's why they look yellow here. And I'm adding all the spices, including the ginger and garlic paste, as well as onions, and around 3 cups of water. Now I let this slow cook for at least 4 hours on high. So let's start slow cooking. Place the lid over the slow cooker and we will start it on high. You can see it's on high, and I'll let this cook for 4 hours. A minute left for the payas. Then I'll prepare the gravy for it once we turn the crock pot off. Payas after 4 hours are almost ready. Now we'll go on making the gravy. After I make the gravy, I'll add these payas to the gravy and then I'll put it back in the crock pot. We'll just check if the trotters are cooked. You can see they're cooked. So what I'll do is now I'll fry some onions, and to that fried onions I'll add the trotters and saute it. And I'll also right now I'll separate these trotters from the soup, plus I'll separate the onions and whatever remaining masalas are there and use that in the gravy, the main final gravy. I separated the trotters from the soup as well as the onion that I put here, plus I've removed all the cinnamon stick, the clove and badi elaichi. I'll blend this onion in a blender and I'll saute this to the brown onions and we'll add everything together. For the paya curry, we need 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 400 grams of sliced onions. You can slice it like this. And we need half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. That's Kashmiri red chili, which means it's not that spicy. You can even use normal red chili. This is 1 teaspoon of freshly ground coriander powder and salt as per taste. Plus we need ghee for frying. So first we'll start frying the onions till they turn a little golden brown. Heat some ghee in a pan. Now I'll add onions and fry them till they're golden brown. I have used approximately half cup of ghee for this recipe. The onions look perfect at this stage. Now I'll add in the ginger and garlic paste and give it a good stir. To this fried onions, I'm adding the trotter and we'll saute it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. I've been 3 minutes since I've sauteed the tortoise, the payas. Now I'll add in all the dry ingredients. Give it a good stir. At this point, I will add the blended onions as well. And let it cook for at least 3 minutes before I add in another 2 cups of water. Now I'll add in 2 cups of room temperature water, and I'll let this water come to one boil, and then I'll add this back to the crock pot, which already has the original soup of the payas. This water has started to boil. Now I'll add it to the original paya soup. Add the payas carefully to the original soup. We'll let this cook for a further 2 hours on the low setting of the crock pot. I'll just add everything and be right back. Now we'll set it on low setting, you can see, for an additional 2 hours. And we are all set to enjoy payas. It's been 2 hours. Now I've switched off the slow cooker. I'll open it and we'll check how it's finally done. You can see how beautifully the soup is cooked. Now I'll show you how well these payas are done. It's tender and it's ready to serve with naans. Garnish the payas with sliced ginger, green chilies. If you have coriander, cilantro, you can garnish it with that as well. And enjoy this payas with naans. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.